All right, what we're gonna do is an outside shot, just like if you're just shooting a picture of your wife or girlfriend, like you would do just a normal shot. And then I'm gonna show you how you can improve that shot with just a few steps to make it look more professional. So let's get started. We're gonna shoot pictures of my wife, Denise. We're just gonna see what the camera thinks is best right here. We're gonna throw it on program. And that's a picture of my wife right there. Let's see. Okay, so that's a picture of my wife we're gonna use, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to zoom in a little bit with my camera to get rid of some of that background. So I'll show you that step next. So I'm gonna come in a little closer. We're still on auto. Okay. All right, so we're a little closer, but I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna keep maybe even a little closer than I was. We're gonna bring a light in to the side here. This is the Godox AD200 Pro. And we're gonna shoot it manual, and then I'm gonna use the X3 Pro, see what we can get on it. All right, so let's see what kind of power we can start off with here. I'm gonna go 132, and I think I'm gonna come in even closer on her. Right there, get small. A little bit hot, so let's drop that down to, so I'm gonna go all the way to 1256. That's about as low as it'll go. Very good. There you go. Now I think we're talking. So you guys can see when I shot her picture the first time, it was a fine shot. It was just her standing here. We didn't have any flashes or anything. So that's kind of what your average person, would take a picture of girlfriend in. So, putting a flash on top of your camera was a much improvement over that. Getting rid of some of that background that was in the first picture because that was too wide. But if you're just out shooting, maybe you're just getting started and you have that problem a lot, get rid of the background by either dropping your f-stop down to 2.8 or whatever you need to do to get that background blurred, and come in and crop, and we added a flash to one side. That even makes it better. You could have used it on top of the camera flash if you need, but that's sometimes will give you some hot spot on their face. Off to the side is really soft. Anyway, it's that simple. So let's go talk about it in the studio. So that first shot, as you can see, is what somebody would probably end up with on a normal day, full length. You can see all the junk around. And then we brought it in closer, added a flash and that sort of stuff. So the picture that we ended up with is this picture. So check this picture out, and it looks pretty good. But now we're going to add a little bit of editing to it, and then we're going to make it really stand out. So let's check that out. In this picture you're looking at right now would be my finished editing shot. So you can see we went from just a regular normal click, almost just a snapshot, did a few more shots, and then we fixed the picture, got it looking really good, and then I thought I'd do a little more editing because we didn't have really good light, even though it was sunlight. We were hidden in the trees, and it was kind of a mess for lighting. So I kind of fixed a little bit and then give it a little more of that sunset look to it. So anyway, I hope that was helpful for you guys. I tried to show you along the way to how to go from just a basic quick shot to something that looks really cool without putting a whole lot of effort in. So anyway, for helping you guys, let us know. If you have any questions on what I did in that video, just let me know, because it's really not that complicated. I probably made it look complicated because I'm good at complicating things. But, but we're here to help you. And if you have any questions how I got from that one picture to the final picture, just let me know, and I'll be glad to help you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for your time. Y'all have a good day.